Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you are lot of fine and good in your health. If you are new here, please like our channel and subscribe as well. Before continuing today, we are going to discuss about 13 proven ways to make money on Amazon in 2022. When it comes to online money makers, it does not get much bigger than Amazon. Luckily for any entrepreneur looking for a new way to generate income, Amazon is an easy way to get started. There are many ways to make money on Amazon, whether you are selling something or not. Whatever skills or resources you have at your disposal. Why Amazon? Amazon has made 344 billion US dollar gross market value on the online marketplace worldwide since it launched in 1994. There is money to be made on a variety of online shopping platforms, but Amazon beat out the rest as the biggest and arguably the most versatile option when you are selling or generating income from products and services. If you are looking for a way to make money online reliably for the foreseeable future, Amazon probably has a good option for you. Now in this video I will show you the different ways of make money on Amazon. Number 1, affiliate marketing. One of the most straightforward ways to make significant money on Amazon without selling anything yourself is an Amazon affiliate. If you have reach online, whether it is through a website, blog, or because you are a community moderator, you have the capacity to make money as an Amazon affiliate. If your audience follows the affiliate link and makes the purchase, you will earn a commission, generally between 4% and 10% of the product purchase price gone Amazon affiliate. There are the following key features. Opportunity to make a lot of money without selling anything yourself. Easy to get started and maintain. The second method is Amazon Handmade. If you thought Etsy was the only place to sell quality handmade goods, think again. On Amazon Handmade, you can sell clothing, jewelry, accessories, art, and other artisan goods. You would have to pay $39.99 a month for a professional selling account, but this fee is waived for handmade sellers. Just pay a 15% referral fee on your total sale price. The third method is Amazon Merch. Do you consider yourself an artist or designer? Amazon Merch might be right for you. You may be able to make great designs that make money on this platform as long as you are up and culture trends and have a basic design software. The key feature is free to upload and sell product Amazon. Get your design on product without having to make a ship product or handle customer satisfaction. Number 4 method is kind direct publishing. Are you a writer or do you have access to a team of writers? Getting your work published on longer requires the attention of publishing house. 70% of the royalties on overall sales can go to you. You are not limited to just digital Kindle book option on this platform. A couple of bestsellers who will do wonders, but you really need to create a steady stream of content to succeed in Kindle publishing. The key features 70% royalty on sales with little or no initial investment, hard copy and digital print available. The fifth mechanism is fulfillment by Amazon. An Amazon FBA business is not as well known an option when it comes to making money on Amazon. Still, it is an excellent way to make money without worrying about shipping or customer support. Using the Amazon FBA program, you send your item to an Amazon center and let them take care of delivery. The key feature is make money from the product you will sell without the hassle of packaging and shipping to individual customer. Great way to work for a brief period and take off in between. The sixth method is Amazon Mechanical Turk. If you just want to make a little bit of extra money without having to start a big project, attract an audience, or sell anything, the Mechanical Turk project might be right for you. This program lets you become one of the remote workers in Amazon's vast army. It is not a way to get rich fast, but you might make as much as $15 an hour or more. For people looking for a simple way to earn a couple of extra bucks on the side, this might be just the right program for you. And the key feature is make money doing small tasks around your other activity. Tasks are generally simple and fun. The seventh method is retail arbitrage. Have ever seen a really great deal at your local big box store like Walmart and thought that the price of something was very good? Retail arbitrage allows you to make advantage of discount offered by a big box store to make a profit by selling those products on Amazon. If you think you can make it just by picking up clearance items when you happen to see them, you will probably find yourself disappointed. However, if shopping for a beginner is a thrill for you, you may find that you can actually make money. Key features is make money by shopping and reselling. No special skills or large initial investment needed. The eighth method is sell a service. Amazon product selling advertising is not the only way to build an income Amazon. If you have services to offer, you can also make a good income in Amazon store. Services provided to hand homeware owners also need background screening. If you don't want to deal with advertising your service, make a website set up by yourself. Amazon can take some of the work out of it. The ninth method is make a brand. Choose a product you love, order it from the manufacturer, put your brand and logo on it, and you will be a brand seller. You will likely find being a professional seller on Amazon to be very reasonable. For anyone who has managed a retail store, the difference will be a delight. The tenth method is be a wholesale seller. Wholesale seller buy products at a discount because they are buying very large quantity. They can then offer to sell those products at the most affordable price on Amazon. And the key feature is opportunity to make a large amount of money with a single lump sum investment. The 11th method is online arbitrage. Online arbitrage works in the same way as physical arbitrage, except you will be purchasing things online instead of in person. If you love shopping for a great deal, you do not want to run around to retail stores. This can be a great option for you. The 12th method is Amazon Trade-in Program. You might not be able to make money with the Amazon Trade-in Program, but you will be able to get Amazon gift cards. This can be a great way to make a little bit of extra money by keeping an eye at local garbage sales or any way you can get used items for very low prices. The 13th mechanism is Amazon Influences. Amazon Influences is an affiliate program that is distinctly different than the Amazon Associate. Amazon Influences promote products on social media. Approval influencers get a unique URL on their own Amazon page to show off the product that you recommend to your followers. The key features are required only a social following to earn an income. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.